Hello guys, I wanted to show you a teeny tiny program I've written in Python. It's a FarmBot for Warhammer Online just for fun. I just wanted to see if I can do it and how it works. It's a pixel based bot. So basically it reads all the pixels to like choose what to do. For that you have a config file, and you can set all the stuff up, like player health bar, like player health at 90% is about here. You can adjust these values when your interface changes. Then the pixel color and the coordinates on 50% health and 30% health, and the energy bar here, or AP bar. Then you have skill bar settings. We kind of like you have first skill X and Y coordinates. It's like this one here. So your skill bar has to be in a straight line. Your skills has to be ordered in a line, and then you basically set the first skill X and Y position and the skill icon width of, in this case, 45 pixels, and then it can automatically calculate the other positions. Yeah, then you have the cast time value, like, so the bot knows when the skill has finished casting and can go to the next skill and cast that. So that's cast time 4. Then you have loot options. Loot area is basically where the bot looks for loot. When a mob was killed, then loot window, close button X and Y. It's, in order to make loot work, then you have to enable auto loot, so it automatically takes all the loot. And normally the loot window closes itself, but sometimes it happens that it's a bug in Warhammer Online, I guess. Sometimes it doesn't close. So for that is the loot window close button X and Y, so the bot will close the window. Then you have skills. Here's basically where you set up your combat rotation. You have skill before combat is, yeah, what skill you wanna cast before you enter a combat. In this case I set 1, this skill here. And then skill to start the battle with is the battle opener, so like the first skill when you enter a battle. Then you have skill after combat, when like the mob was killed and you leave the combat, then you will cast this spell. And then you have skill hard is heal overtime. It's here on 1. Then you have a heal spell, it's on 3. And kill death is like the oh shit button. When your health runs below 30%, then this skill will be triggered. On this shaman here, I have set it to 4, and 4 is a kind of a shield that absorbs damage. Then you have damage overtime skill and a damage skill. So let's say you don't have a healer, then you can disable certain skills. like, for example, when I want to disable the heal over time skill, I can set it to -1, and the heal spell set it to -1 as well, and those two skills will be ignored by the bot. So yeah, I think that's really cool. Set it back. Yeah, that's basically it. So let's try it out. Basically what I wanted to say is, it is not really a bot specially designed for Warhammer Online, because it's pixel based. You can use it basically for every MMO with what's kind of like Warhammer Online, like World of Warcraft, for example, or Guild Wars 2. Maybe. Yeah, let's try it out. Okay. Let's move to the side. Okay. Auto target, cast the heal over time, and damage. Damage over time was spelled as well. I'm doing nothing. It's all about it. The bot is kind of stationary. So because in Warhammer Online, the respawn times for mobs are so incredibly fast that you don't really need to walk around. Looting, and when you have gathering skills, it will be done as well. So looking for a new target, skill before combat. So yeah, it works really well. And yeah, I just wanted to test if I can program a bot. So yeah, it works. Maybe I won't use it because it's kind of lame to do bot. So yeah, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching.